In this video, we're going to cover how to take the chapter assignment. Every chapter within MindTap will have a chapter assignment associated with it. In order to get that assignment, do the following. First, make sure to read the entire chapter. As you near the end of the chapter, under Study and Review, under Learning to Look, you'll find an item just like this. In this case, this is the Chapter 2 homework. In order to access the Chapter 2 homework, click on the blue link here. When you do so, notice what happens. A new tab has opened up. I'm using Chrome as my default browser here. That tab stands right next to the Blackboard tab where I launched into MindTap from. Behind that window is my original MindTap window. So, best practice would be to simply close the MindTap window, and now in your new window here, go ahead and start your assignment. Notice, with this assignment, we have 10 questions. They're multiple choice and true and false. You'll have 2 takes. Of those 2 takes, the last take will count towards the grade. In order to take the assignment, simply read the question, provide an answer, and then move to the next one by clicking on the next number. Some questions will be drag and drop. So in this case, here are the possible answers. And what I'm doing is just dragging it over what I think is the appropriate place for it. Notice when it goes into a certain spot, it turns green, indicating that it's ready to receive that term. And I just keep going until I get it finished here. Now that I've completed the 10 questions, I can save my work. Or, while I'm taking the assignment, I can also use the e-text located over here to look up anything that I need to find. So notice how I have my quiz here, the e-text here. I can just navigate out to Chapter 2, perform a search if I need to on key terms in order to look up the information I need to complete that question. When I'm ready to submit the assignment, I'll click Submit Assignment for Grading here, at which time I'll be provided with instant feedback on how I've done. In order to have my second take, I'll simply click on that X to shut down the window. Here, I have 2 options. I can close this activity and return back to Blackboard, or I can click on my second attempt and then click Start or Review, whichever I prefer. Once again, once I'm done, click on the X here, click here to close the activity, at which time you'll be taken back into Blackboard.